Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Explorer MOHASIN. Friends, in this video we will explore one of the must-see tourist destinations in the Philippines, and it's known as the second largest mall in the South Asia and the sixth largest mall all over the world, and it's famous one of the most largest mall in Philippines too, and it's called the SM Mall of Asia. And friends, it's more than just a mall. It's a place for shopping, dining and fun by the bay. Now friends, let's explore the biggest mall of Asia.
These bandanas make it hurt.
Wow guys, you can see the mall starts with the Starbucks. Here also has IMAX Laser Theater, and it's renowned theater, you know friends. And this is the deck of the mall, and it's really so beautiful. Wow, people are relaxing here. It's a big mall, so some people get tired, and here's lot of space to take rest. The mall looks very luxury, and it's really so amazing and decorative. Guys, you can see there's a big hall room, and it's decorated with furniture for sale, and some people are taking rest and gossiping. And the ground floor and the decoration, everything is so luxurious. That's why it's a worldwide famous shopping mall, I think so. Wow, it's Fila Italia shop here, and also has Adidas. Top one class brands are selling their products, and there also has Burger King showroom, and you can guys take snacks from here too. Let's take a tour of another floor. Yeah, at last I got it, and it's the most famous German brand Decathlon sports shop, and it's a famous brand of mine, and I was actually looking for it to buy some stuff from Decathlon. Friends, Decathlon is a global sports retailer, actually offering a wide range of affordable, high quality gear for over 70 sports, known for its innovative in-house brands. Really, Decathlon makes sports easy for everyone. I think those who wanna love sports. And if you get Decathlon shop in any country or in nearby, you should check it out. This is child section and all kinds of child accessories, sports item like roller skates, child's bicycles, football, volleyball, basketball, all kind of child's sports item you will get here. And I think every kind of people will get their desired products from here. This is the lot of sports shoes are here, and lot of football are also displaying here. Little girls are playing. Yeah, she is enjoying most. I think Decathlon is not just only a shop. You can get different kind of gadget and sports items experience to visit this shop. Wow, it's a tent, and this section is for, I think, those who wanna love travel and to take the taste of adventure. I think they will get everything like tents and everything from here. Here lots of traveling gadgets also displaying here, bags, water bottle, and little bags for passports. Yeah, different kind of sports bottle are also here. You can take what you want. Yeah, this is the displaying tent, and wow, it's amazing. The boy is also so curious to see. Yeah, here's lot of traveling and sports bags are also displaying here. So it's really perfect for all kind of sports people. So friends, let's enjoy the vibe. So friends, it's all over Decathlon shop, and let's check out other shops what we can get. And friends, this is world famous NBA store is also here. Let's check out the NBA store what we can get. Here's lots of jerseys are displaying, and all is original jersey. You can get original jerseys, original basketball products, everything, shoes, cats, basketball and jackets, everything you can get from here. And these jerseys are, guys, really so nice, and it looks gorgeous, all of them. Wow, so nice. Caps are also displaying here. Wow, what a beautiful basketball sets, also designed for test, I think so. This is for test. You can guy also test here. These caps are also look so fantastic, and everything, wow, amazing. I think those who love sports and basketballs, he or she will be surprised, and he can get everything from here. These shops also displays child items. If you wanna buy something for your child for sports purpose, you can also buy child item from here too. The sneakers and the cats are so beautiful, and so quality products are displaying here. Oh shit, the shop boy requested me to stop filming, so I need to close. And friends, this is all about the SM mall, and I'm just trying to go out from this mall, and this is the part of the hall room from upside, and this side is actually by the sea, and at morning or at the daylight you can see the sea view from here. So friends, it's all over the SM Mall of Asia, And those who wanna visit Philippines or those who wanna travel Philippines, I think you can visit this shopping mall, and fantastic shopping mall also, and it's a good experience for me. And I think if I came again in Philippines, I will visit this shopping mall again. So friends, that was the video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.